Hello everyone and welcome to another video on idioms. Today we are going to look at idioms about moving idioms. So let's jump straight in and look at these idioms. Come along, come along. That means follow me or get a move on. Get moving, move now. Running late, running late. This just means that you are behind schedule. You're behind schedule. You're not literally running late, although you may need to run. This is one I use all the time. Let's crack on. Let's crack on. This just means let's go. Come on, let's go. To pop off or out. To pop off, to pop out. This means to leave one place very briefly, so perhaps come back, or well, occasionally not. So I'm just going to pop out to the shops. It means I'm going to the shops and I'm coming back. I've got to pop off means I'm leaving now. The early bird catches the worm. The early bird catches the worm. This means that the person who wakes up early or seizes an opportunity early will win in the end, or will get the best outcome for themselves. To go off in a huff. To go off in a huff. This means to leave angrily. To run like the wind. To run like the wind. You may have figured this out. It means to run very fast. I need to run like the wind to catch my bus. Right, that was all the moving idioms. I hope you enjoyed them, and if you want to practice using them, put them in the comments below and I'll let you know how you've got on. Anyway, if you like this video, click like, subscribe or comment below, and I will see you in the next video. I'm looking forward to it. Bye.